Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Horizon Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.horizonbank.com. After you come across this official page, click on the login option in the top section of your screen. Here you'll have to enter your login ID associated with your account and a valid password. If you do not remember your username or password, then you can click on Forgot Password and Forgot/Unlock Login links respectively. After entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Horizon Bank online banking account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.